Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to screen record on an iPhone. The screen recording button is a handy feature available on the control center. If this is your first time using the screen recording feature and you are a new user, the screen recording button may not be available on your control center. Click the iCard to watch the video on how to add screen record on iPhone. Once you add the screen record icon at the control center, follow the steps to screen record on your iPhone. Swipe down the top right corner of the screen. The control center will open. Now you will see a screen recording icon in a circle shape. Press and hold the screen record button. You will see the next screen, which allows you to turn your microphone on or off. As you can see, by default, the mic is off. So if you want to start screen recording with a mic, tap to turn it on. You will see here the mic icon will be red, and it shows that the microphone is on. Now go back and tap the screen recording button. Then the 3-second countdown plays before the recording starts. Now the white button will appear red on the status bar at the top of the iPhone screen. This red status bar indicates that the recording is in progress. You can record your gameplay, browse websites, open apps, tutorials, and more. For example, let's record the gameplay. Once you complete the recording and want to stop, tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and tap the stop icon. Or return to the control center and tap on the record screen recording icon. Now your iPhone will stop the screen recording and store your recorded video in the Photos app. That's it. You can watch your recorded video by opening the Photos app and checking the Recent or Videos album. Also, you can edit and share your screen recordings with others. So guys, what are you waiting for? Capture the on-screen activity like games, video songs, or more, and share them with your friends and family. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.